Dear friends, I would like to share with you one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Here we are at Iguazu Falls, the Iguazu Waterfalls, which is situated in Paraná. It's actually at the border of Brazil and Argentina and Paraguay, and it consists of around 280 waterfalls. The tallest one being as tall as a 26-story building. And we're going to, this is the road, so it has a well-maintained road, and you can take a bus from the visitor station and it takes you down there. You can see a lot of people enjoying, so I'm going to go there and let's have a closer look. It's really a spectacular scene. It's huge, vast and beautiful. We have this trail that will go down there to give us a better view of the whole scenario. It's a very fine scenery actually. From this point we can have a better view of the wider one. You see that water falling down the waterfall, it seems to convert into a fine mist as if making clouds as soon as they take off in the air. Brazil is a heritage to the natural wonders of the world. This one, as I told you earlier, is among the 7 natural wonders of the world, and it lies, while on one hand you have the spectacular view and other you see animals playing with you all around. I'm going to give you a closer shot. You see, very friendly. The advice is not to eat in front of them because they may jump on, but otherwise they are very friendly. And another advice for the visitor is not to feed them because they may get ill eating something which they are not supposed to. From here, a slightly wider view. You can see the most wider one, the widest waterfall. And the important thing about this point is you can clearly hear the roaring sound of the water falling down the waterfall. So let's hear it. And it is stretching along the whole edges. As far as you can see, you see waterfalls only, around 280 of them. Well, the farther you go, the better it becomes, more beautiful as you go up the route. The thing is, this place doesn't stop to amaze you. So I'm going to give you another view yet another and more beautiful view. You see? All you see there is water falling, forming a mist. You don't see the water actually falling down. It seems the formation of clouds as soon as the water falls. A very fine mist is formed that is rising up like clouds. And look here. Chilly, cold, and beautiful. And the beauty continues to roar. in the form of falling water among these dense forests. Now we are almost reaching one end of the waterfalls, and you see there is a trail that you can follow. It's a kind of small bridge. You can go very close to that waterfall and have fun in the mist that forms as the water trickles down, actually roars down. Now I'll give you a closer view. We go there to that bridge, and then we can have a closer look at the waterfall. So let's go. Finally, we are here on the bridge, and there is a good shower of water coming. See, the water is trickling down, the mist, actually bigger droplets now. They're coming, and you see people that have covered themselves with this, with the plastic zipper, the plastic coating. Wow, it's spectacular. The feeling is nice. I'm feeling the water in my face. The roaring sound of water is fine mist coming. People from different nationalities all around. The scene is spectacular. So I've reached the final end as far as we could go. So this is the biggest waterfall, which is known as, locally in Portuguese, it's called Garganta do Diabo, which could be translated as the devil's throat, perhaps because of the large quantity of water pouring down. So close a look. It's a place for tourists to take photos, make videos. You can see the happiness tourists there enjoying. And there's a shop, a gift shop, and down there there's a truck shop. Again, it's a place for visitors to take photos. And that was the trail which I tried to get in to have a closer, but it was like actually raining. There was so much mist, it was impossible for me without a cover to make a video. Still you can see people there. We were there a while ago. A very pretty place at the border of Brazil, Argentina and Paraguay. You can go to the Brazilian, visit the Brazilian side as I'm doing now, but you can actually go to the Argentina side as well. Well, I have come to the very end of this trail as far as we could go, and now you see the river. This is the river that engenders these waterfalls. So the water is coming from that wide river, the Iguazu River, and now we have a top view, so you can easily and clearly see how these waterfalls are formed from this river. And that's the bridge that we crossed. We went there and there, but it was too misty to make any video or photo. It's a bird eye view from up there, up here.